Jodhpur Airport GRC elements production and installation process. After receiving detailed design drawings from the architect, Unistone's production team begins with pattern development, converting the design into a precise physical prototype. After the pattern development, the POP base preparation is carried out by applying POP along with specialized chemical layers over the pattern surface to obtain the exact design impression. This base helps capture all the intricate design details and provides a smooth surface required for mold creation, while also ensuring dimensional accuracy and stability during mold formation. Once the POP base is finalized, molds are created using materials such as fiberglass or FRP. These molds replicate the exact geometry of the pattern and are designed for repeated use during production. The mixture of cement, fine aggregates, water, polymers, and alkali-resistant glass fibers is sprayed into the mold and compacted to ensure uniform thickness and fractural strength, as specified according to the project. After curing, the elements are carefully demolded. Edges are trimmed, surfaces are inspected, and any finishing required is completed to achieve the final architectural product. The finished GRC elements are securely packaged using protective materials such as foam sheets, bubble wrap, and wooden pallets to avoid any damage during transportation. The packaged elements are systematically loaded onto transport vehicles and shipped to the project site with proper handling and logistics planning. Before installation, the supporting structural framework at the site is inspected. The GRC components are mounted onto the prepared framework using anchors, brackets, and approved fasteners or fixtures, while maintaining proper alignment and spacing. Then the joints are filled with paintable, exterior-grade, polymer-based hybrid silicone sealant to ensure proper sealing and a durable finish. Cleaning, joint finishing, painting, and final inspection are carried out to complete the installation. Through precision craftsmanship, advanced manufacturing, and quality installation, Unistone played a significant role in enhancing the architectural aesthetics of the new passenger terminal building at Jodhpur Airport. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.